Hi, I'm Ray, and this is Gardening Online. Today we're going to review the Grow Your Own and Kitchen Garden magazine. We are now the end of May and the July editions have come out. So these have both been bought at Tesco's and costing $5.99 and $5.99. So let's have a look at the Kitchen Garden magazine first, and as we can see, free 10 packs of seeds, claim 50 free veg plants worth $24.95. Visit and start Andy Murray's veg garden, growing guides, great savings, organic growing. So let's have a look at what seeds we've got. So this is Kitchen Garden magazine. I'm going to start off with this one this week. Just getting some nicer weather now, so looking forward to some great days. So first of all, Kitchen Garden, we've got beetroot, and this is Barbaitola di Choggia. This is a traditional Italian beetroot. So this can be sown from March through to July. An Italian favourite with unusual white rings. So it's quite an unusual one. And we get 300 seeds with these. So they're quite good. Onions, we've got Shensu Yellow. Now these can be sown from August to September. A heavy yielding variety bred for autumn sowing. So it's good to actually get products that we can actually sow later on in the month. So that was one of the questions I was asked with these seeds, is whether they are relevant for the months, but not always. And then we've got radish. This is black Spanish round, and this is a black radish. It can be left in the ground and harvested in winter, or stored in dry sand or in a frost-free shed. So that's quite interesting, a black radish. Not so sure about that. And then we've got Chinese kale. So these can be sown April, May, June, July, harvest July through to October. We get 375 seeds. Cabbage, Chinese Wong Bok. Light green leaves and large barrel shaped, heads up to 2.5 kilos in weight. So that's quite interesting, Wong Bok. And then we've got a mustard spinach. They come up with some weird names, this one. This is Komasuna. This can be sown from May right through to October. So leaves resemble a turnip leaves with a spicy flavour. So that's quite interesting. And our second pack for the kitchen garden is a marrow. So these can be sown April, May, June. So that's quite relevant. This is long green bush 4, a traditional marrow, selected stock chosen for its dark green fruit with light green stripes. Bush habit, ideal space is limited. We don't really do marrows, but I'm quite be tempted to do one when I've got some. And then we've got some cabbage. And now this is July, August, and harvest the following year. Mainly Wheeler's Imperial, mainly grown spring cabbage as plants as dwarf and compact. Small leafy hearts, excellent flavour. Can also be sown in the spring for leafy autumn vegetable. And we get 450 seeds in these ones. And then we've got Chinese kale. This is Kalean, fast growing, matures in 60 days from transplanting. Use the flowering stems and buds in salads or stir fries. Larger stems need to be peeled before cooking. So that's quite good. And these can be sown from April right through to September, harvest from June right through to November. So that might be something that would be can be done in the garden here. Then we've got herb, we've got coriander. This is leisure leafy, especially bred for its ability to produce lots of leaves and slowness to bolt than traditional older types. So that's quite interesting. This can be sown all year round and harvested all year round. And then we've got some spring onions, and this is Ishikura. This can be sown February right through to June and can be harvested 12 weeks after sowing. And it's a Japanese bunching onion producing short green tops and long white stalks that do not bulb. Resemble miniature leeks with a fine mild flavour for salads. So that's quite interesting. We can sow these May, June, and so that's something else that we can get in. So out of the kitchen garden magazines, there's quite a few seeds that we can still do for this month, which is a bonus. And on the front of the magazines, Grow a Taste of Summer, Seed Saving for Beginners, The Great Garden Cover-Up, 7 Ways to Boost Your Pickings with Crop Covers, and Gather Harvest from Your Lawn, Fresh Pick Recipes for all your family. So we'll have a look into that. Now let's have a look at what we've got for Grow Your Own magazine. We've also got 10 packs of seeds inside, pack worth £45. We've got 6 tomato plants worth £12.99. Gardening savers, attract wildlife, invite beneficial creatures to your plot, beat the heat, temperature tips and clever tricks for sunny days, and save seeds. Boost next year's plot with this year's harvest. So both magazines are looking into saving seeds, which is good. I've got a few videos on my channel of saving seeds, so have a look back and check out some of those videos. So let's have a look at what seeds we got with these. So we've got 10 seeds. So let's have a look at the first one. So the first one we got is Luke's. And this is Autumn Giant. And this is long, thick-stemmed with mild flavour. Impressive winter hardiness. This can be sown March, April, May. So we can still get it in. This is 50 seeds. So we can still fit that in. And then we've got herb. And these are chives. And they're really pretty. And there's 250 seeds here. These can be sown March, April, May, June. And this is a perennial member of the onion family and is undemanding and easy to grow, returning year after year, attracting bees and butterflies to its pretty pink blooms. So that might be something I might try in the garden, as long as the slugs don't eat them. And then we've got salad leaves. This is Oriental mixed. Has exciting combinations to salads and stir fries, quick growing, 30 days in summer. Now this can be sown October, November, December, January, February. So this can be one that can be saved for later on in the year. Can be planted out then. Then we've got Radishino, distinctive flavour and texture in a mixed salad, all year round production as a salad leaf. So heads stand well and good weather resistance. So this can be sown April, May, June, July, August, September, and harvested from July right through to December. So we've had some of this before. Then we've got some cabbage, and this is Durham Early. Superb, well-flavoured spring cabbage or spring greens. Can be sown in spring or summer cuttings. Compact and ideal for smaller spaces. So these can be done March, April, May, or July and August. I don't know why you can't do them in June, but never mind. And we get 100 seeds in this packet. It's Durham Early. So it's good to get some cabbages in. I've not got much cabbages in this year. And then we've got purple sprouting broccoli. This provides a succession of tender shoots, late winter, early spring. Highly nutritious. ready at a time when fresh vegetables are in short supply. This is 135 seeds, so this can be sown March, May to June, harvest following year, February through to March. So that's something else that we can be done. We've got some cress. This is easy to grow and it's extra curled, ideal for children, nutritious and tasty, and this can be sown all year round. We've got a good old favourite being carrots. This is Amsterdam Forcing 3. Small, flavoursome, well-coloured roots, suitable for early sowings under glass. So these can be sown under glass February, March, and then outside from March right through to July. So carrots, we always could do with carrots. The next one we can do is Kale, Dwarf, Green, Curled. This is notorious winter hardy curly kale, popular and reliable in most soils throughout the UK. Stands in conditions for several months. So this can be sown April, May, June, so one which is relevant for now. And we get 200 seeds. And then the last one we got is a herb, and this is basil. And this is easy for to grow, essential for authentic Italian cuisine, a strong scent and distinctive flesh flavour. This can be sown from February right through to June. So that's 125 seeds. So out of the both magazines, there's nothing that is totally outstanding, and it would have been nice to have seen something like sweet corn or beans or something like that, which is quite relevant for June sowings. But there we go. So this is the seeds that we've got in the kitchen garden and the Grow Rome magazine. And these are both July editions. So, and these were both purchased in Tesco's and different superstores, different shops, and different, even online, have different sorts of seeds come through. So that's just a warning of what you get if you buy them from Tesco's. So I hope you find that interesting, and if you've bought these magazines and you've got different seeds, let me know in the comments below, and that'd be interesting, and it will help other subscribers. So thank you very much. Got to plant on my peas, get these out and plant on the sunflowers now. So take care now. Thank you very much. Bye.